do a simple program in QBasic to add two numbers. First number we have taken in the variable A, second number 20 we have taken in variable B. Now let is not only used to assign a value to a variable, let can also be used to assign a expression to a variable. Now what is an expression? Expression is a mathematical operation written in terms of variables. So the sum of the numbers 10 and 20 will be a plus b, because a contains 10 and b contains 20. So if we want to do 10 plus 20, then we will do a plus b, and that a plus b is called the expression, and it can be stored in another variable c. So let us take another variable, let c equal to a plus b. Now you can see that now let can not only assign a value to a variable, let can assign a expression to a variable also. So c is that variable that is taking the value of the result of a plus b. So a is 10, b is 20. If I do a plus b, it will calculate 10 plus 20 and it will become 30. Then 30 with that result, 30 will be the result, and that result will be stored in c. So c can take the value of the expression also. Now print can not only print constant or variables, it can print the expression also, and the expression is stored in c. So print can display the expression directly. If you write print a plus b, then we will not need the c here, because print statement can display the result of expression also if we give directly like this. But as we have used the variable c here, we will use print c and then run. We'll get the result as 30. So the mathematical task in QBasic can be plus, then minus. If we do minus, then if we run it, 10 minus 20, it will come minus 10, because I have given a first, then minus, then b. So it will be acting as 10 minus 20 and the result will be minus 10. Now if I give here multiplication sign in QBasic is given by this symbol. It is called asterisk or star sign, like this. Now if I run the program, 10 into 20 will be the result, that will be 200. Now another operator is there. These are called operators. These symbols are called operators. This slash symbol is used to divide the two numbers. A will be acting as the numerator and b will be acting as the denominator. So it will be acting as 10 by 20, and this slash symbol is acting as division. These symbols are called operators. It will be written here 0.5, that is 0.5, because 10 by 20 is 0.5. Now if we use another symbol is there, that is called exponent. It is given by caret. For getting the caret symbol, you have to press shift plus you have to hold the shift key and press the number 6 on your keyboard. In the left hand side, in the top, the numbers are there 1 to 0. There you have to press, first you have to press shift, hold it, and then you have to press the number 6 of your keyboard to get this caret sign. It is the exponent sign, or called the power. That means a caret b means 10 to the power 20. So if I give 2 here in place of b, then it will look like 10 caret 2, that is 10 to the power 2, means 10 is multiplied with itself 2 times, that is 10 into 10. So it will be 100. So these were the basic mathematical tasks in QBasic.